Hello everyone, I'm Fan, your Discovery ESEGAS guide. We recently had the pleasure of hosting a group of distinguished clients from Southeast Asia visit at ESEGAS. Our International Business Manager, Sharon, starts the journey for our clients. During their visit, we showcased our AQMS gas analyzers, which are designed to accurately measure nitrogen oxides, NO, sulfur dioxide, SO2, carbon monoxide, CO, ozone, O3, and particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, among others. Our systems leverage advanced technologies such as chemiluminescence detection, ultraviolet fluorescence, UF, NDIR, and UV spectrophotometry, ensuring high sensitivity and precision in various industrial and environmental settings. By the end of the visit, both parties expressed a strong interest in collaboration. We are excited about the potential for working together. We are ESEGAS, your gas monitoring expert, solution provider and supplier. Let's work together to advance air quality monitoring initiatives and contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment in the world.